In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Skyscanner language. This quick walkthrough will help you set the website to the language you prefer and also adjust the country or region and the currency so prices and content make sense for you. These settings affect how the site looks and how fares are displayed, which can make planning and booking much easier. First, open your browser and go to Skyscanner's website. You can use the main Skyscanner address and it will load in your current language and region by default. If it's already showing the language you want, great. You'll still want to confirm the region and currency so everything matches your preferences. Next, look to the very top right of the page for the small globe, or Earth, icon. This is the control for language, country or region, and currency. Sometimes you'll also see a short label next to it that shows your current settings. Click that globe to open the settings panel. In the panel that appears, start by choosing your language. You'll see a list of available options. Pick the one you're most comfortable with. This changes the interface text across Skyscanner, including menus, filters, and messages. If you don't immediately see your preferred language, scroll the list carefully. It's organized to cover a wide set of locales. Now set the country or region. This tells Skyscanner which market you want to use. It can influence which travel providers you see, localized deals, and certain regulations or notices that apply to your location. Choosing the right region also helps ensure that date formats, airport suggestions, and some content are tailored to you. Then choose your currency. This controls how prices are displayed while you browse and compare options. Pick the currency you want to read fares in. It won't change what your bank charges, but it makes comparing prices clearer and avoids mental conversion while you plan. If you travel often, you can return here anytime and switch currencies for quick comparisons. Finally, click Save. The page may refresh briefly and you'll see the interface update to the language you selected. Prices will now appear in the currency you chose, and the site will reflect your selected region. If you don't notice a change right away, give the page a moment or refresh. Your browser will remember these settings for future visits on this device. That's it. You've set the language, country or region, and currency on Skyscanner, so you can search, compare, and book with clarity. Happy travels and enjoy planning with your settings just the way you like them.